Okay everyone, we're standing out the front of Superoo Falcon Spares. Now, from the 11th of August, they're going to have a grand opening because they've just finished building this. Now, inside's been all decked out. There's still a little bit more they've got to do, and we've got guys in the background. They're running around trying to get everything cleaned up and also trying to get all the parts out of the way, categorized and everything like that. Plus, they're serving customers like mad. So we've got a bit more to do out here, or they've got a bit more to do out here. Everyone, from the 11th of August for a whole entire week, they're going to have the grand opening for Superoo Falcon Spares. Now, during this week, they're going to have things like specials. They might even chuck a barbecue on every evening just to celebrate it. There is going to be loads of things going on. So come down, check out the new store. The new store has been decked amazingly. We've got artwork in there now. The building looks sensational, brand new signs, everything like that. So spending a lot of money on this, and there's a lot of planning that's gone into getting this right for the customers. So there's more parts, more variety, all sorts of stuff in here. So come down, check it out. It's from the 11th of August all the way through for this week. There's going to be loads of stuff in. We'll give you some more updates as we go and some more insight as we go with this. But come down, check it out. Now, we'll put the address just down here so you know where it is, but it's 8 Burns Road in Armadale. Now, these guys are brilliant Falcon, early Ford suppliers, so come down, grab yourself a bargain, grab yourself some parts. They've got plenty of stuff to choose from in the wrecking yard, so if there's something that you're searching for out of your car, come down and have a look. I always use them, and I always get the parts from here, and they're always reliable. Tony, Lee and the boys always get it right. We'll see you down here from the 11th onwards, and come and enjoy the festivities with Superoo.